5 natural solutions for carpal tunnel pain. Carpal tunnel pain is caused by irritation of the median nerve, the nerve in charge of giving sensation and movement to certain parts of your hand. More and more people are getting it now that everybody is using electronic devices constantly. Repetitive movements of the hand and wrist are what usually cause it, although it can also come from an injury, infection, or being overweight. The pain may be mild and sporadic. However, sometimes it is more serious than that, even interfering in your ability to go about your daily life. In fact, a small number of cases actually require surgery if the inflammation doesn't respond to medication. Fortunately, before you get to that extreme, you can try natural solutions with the ability to give you relief from the pain. Below, we'd like to elaborate 5 of the best ones so you can try them anytime your carpal tunnel flares up. Find out what they are. Ginger and eucalyptus compressors. Applying ginger and eucalyptus compressors is a therapeutic way to reduce the severity of the inflammation and pain from carpal tunnel syndrome. They have medicinal properties that help improve circulation in the affected area while having a soothing effect as well. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 20 grams, 4 eucalyptus leaves. Instructions: heat the cup of water and once boiling add the grated ginger and eucalyptus leaves. Lower the heat and let the plants release their extracts for 2 minutes. Then, let sit for 10 to 15 minutes. How to apply. Soak a clean cloth into the infusion and apply it to your stiff hand and wrist as a compress. Let sit for 20 minutes and repeat up to twice a day. Cypress and rosemary oil massage. A massage with anti-inflammatory oils can calm the pain that is keeping you from moving your hands normally. Here, we suggest cypress and rosemary oils, both of which are well known for their abilities to reduce inflammation of the muscles and joints. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of cypress oil, 45 grams, 2 tablespoons of rosemary oil, 30 grams. Instructions: combine the oils until well mixed. How to apply. Rub the oils into the painful area, making gentle massaging motions until the oil is well absorbed. Repeat every night until you see improvement. Meadow sweet flower compress. Meadow sweet flowers have pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory powers, making them perfect for treating the symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome. They can be used in compress form, a method that has an immediate soothing effect. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of meadowsweet flowers, 20 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Instructions: add the meadowsweet flowers to a cup of boiling water and let steep for 20 minutes. How to apply. Soak a cloth in the infusion and apply it to the affected area. Let sit 10 minutes and, if necessary, repeat twice a day. Epsom salt soak. One therapeutic way to use Epsom salts is to relieve pain caused by carpal tunnel syndrome. They act as a muscle relaxant and anti-inflammatory when used topically like this, reducing stiffness and tingling. Ingredients: 5 cups of water, 1250 milliliters, 1/2 cup of Epsom salts, 100 grams. Instructions: heat the water until it reaches a temperature safe for your skin. Add the Epsom salts and stir until dissolved. How to apply. Soak your hands in the liquid, making sure to get your painful wrists in there as well. Let the salts work for 20 minutes and then rinse. Use twice a day until you have the problem under control. Massage with olive and castor oil. Both the castor oil and the olive oil contain anti-inflammatory compounds that will help restore movement in your wrists. The fatty acids, along with the antioxidants and amino acids in the oils, improve blood flow to the inflamed area and thus reduce pain. Ingredients: Three tablespoons of castor oil, 45 grams, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 32 grams. Instructions: pour the oils into a microwave-safe container and microwave for 20 seconds. How to apply. Make sure the temperature is not too hot, and then rub it into your hands and wrists. Gently massage for 8 minutes and let the oil absorb well. Repeat the treatment until the pain is gone. Remember that the solutions we've given you have the ability to help with the pain, but only temporarily. The healing process of carpal tunnel pain may take up to a month, and you'll need to complement these natural remedies with healthy habits like exercise.